This is a video inspection of a 2003 Haas SL30 with the tailstock. Right now we're running everything at 100% rapids. XY. And we've got the tailstock, which is hydraulic. Now we will index the turret. There's the chip auger. Tool presetter. Now we're running the spindle at 1500 RPM. Now we're running the spindle at 3500 RPM. 2300. 1300. 600. 3000. Max RPM. Now we'll do a quick walk around. Here's the door. Slides very smooth. SL30, 30 horsepower, tailstock tool presetter. Chip chute. This is serial number 65844, built 2 of 03. Coolant pump. You got here the hours on the machine. In motion 11,000, spindle time 13,000. And this will conclude the video inspection of the 2003 Haas SL30.